Hello dear friends! Today we're gonna cook for our children. If your children they don't eat the veggies, with my recipe of lasagna they're gonna eat it. If you follow my steps, let's start together. We need one casserole and we will salt all our veggies together. When it's ready, we will add the milk cream, the eggs, and on the top, the cheese. Let's start. After 5 minutes, we turn off the fire and our veggies are ready. We'll add the milk cream, the heavy cream, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, and we will make the layers on the pan. We cover our lasagna with the cheese, and as you just saw, our mixing with the veggies was moisty. We want this because it helps our lasagna to be boiled. We cover with a piece of aluminum foil and we will take it in the oven for 45 minutes in 180 degrees.